The Harvey Weinstein that many in Hollywood once lauded is now not even the shadow of the man that he used to be. For weeks, we saw him walk into the courtroom, aided, of course, by a walker looking frail. Weinstein will be held in the prison infirmary after his lawyer said he needs medical attention following unsuccessful back surgery. Did his physical appearance impact the jury's decision? Well, joining us now is someone who has plenty of experience with jurors, criminal defense attorney Julie Rendelman. And Julie, so Weinstein, he's not looking like he's in great health today. His team said that he's even receiving shots in his eye to prevent from going blind. Do you think that that played a role in the mind of jurors?
So I think when I think there was a lot of talk about the walker. I think the walker, had an Oscar all its own. And I think the problem for Mr. Weinstein, I think many people viewed it as an attempt on his part to get sympathy from the jury. And I think when a jury questions whether or not he really is as ill or as frail as he tries to depict himself, I think it can hurt him in the end, because the jury can say, why is he doing that and why is he acting for us? And I think it can be a turnoff. It can be a benefit. I think one day we'll hear from the jury and know for sure. Jurors
deliberated for 18 hours, had to analyze the testimony of 35 witnesses. How delicate of a dance is this all from the jurors' perspective?
So it's incredibly difficult. And I think one of the things we talked about recently is, someone asked, was this a long time for the jury to kind of think about all this? In a sense, they heard from 35 witnesses. We expected them to take the time they needed to go through every piece and maybe even listen to some readbacks, which they did, to make sure that every single one of them knew and understood what every single witness said. I think they were very, very deliberate in terms of the questions they asked and the questions they asked the court in terms of the charges. And so I think it's clear that the jury really was trying to follow the law in terms of coming to a decision.
And we're really out of time, but I'm just so curious to know, were you surprised by the verdict?
Yes. I wasn't as of Friday when I heard the last note, but I was very surprised. But you know what? This is the jury's decision.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us. I appreciate it.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.